It's me again. And while I was doing some research today and what to talk about for my next videos, I came across a robot vacuum cleaner. Yeah, I think that's kind of interesting. I didn't even know they had that. It's probably real expensive. I didn't see look at the price on that. I think the one I've seen's been out for a few years. I saw a lot of cool stuff on that website that I'll be talking about in later videos. There was just some pretty neat stuff on this website, which all of a sudden I forgot the name of that website. So yeah, bye.